Year 2010. This time, siguro I think I have to say something. Para ba just to inform everybody, since today, actually we are celebrating the 15th years anniversary of ACFIL. We are doing this at the same time as a fundraising ng ACFIL. Because since last year, we have celebrated the little Mr. and Miss ACFIL 2011. So, baka sasabihin ng iba, bakit di ba usually since we celebrate the anniversary in the month of May. Kaso lang nagkaroon tayo ng problema since everybody is busy. So, kaya ngayon, sinicelebrate natin ang 15 years anniversary ng ACFIL. Okay, ngayon, bibilang ako ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, baka may pahabol pa dyan, 10. Close na po ang ating votation. Kaya, canvassers, please get ready. Ano na natin, bibilangin natin. Okay? Thank you very much.